Hey everyone, this is Justine from Just Plans and welcome back to another video. I am memory planning the week of February 15th through the 21st using this really stunning Calm kit by the Pretty Pink Co. I chose a silver foil with this kit to go with the soft blues, and even though the kit itself is not wintry, I decided to go all out with the winter vibes for this kit. I really love how Mahak uses or adds these like frame boxes into her kit. Just love those boxes there. So yeah, we're just gonna get into laying down the spread or the base of the spread. If you are new to this channel, I do post decorative and functional spreads on this channel. If you're interested in that type of content, please consider subscribing if you aren't already, which you really should if you don't want to miss another video. So, okay. Yeah. Oh, also I should mention that I do have a coupon code to the Pretty Pink Co. It is Justine15 and you can save 15% off. I've said this so many times before, but the Pretty Pink Co. is just a shop that is constantly on trend. She releases $2 Tuesdays every single week, as well as new releases every single Friday, and everything is so good and so on trend and just so perfect for like just the decorative memory planning style that is super popular right now. And I'm so sorry if you hear my boyfriend in the background. We he is playing a video game. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that is one thing that I am super looking forward to as far as when we move into our new home is he's going to have his own office where I can or he can we can shut the door and he can yell as much as he fucking wants when he plays a game, and then I can be in my own office and peacefully record a voiceover. Okay, so I told you, or I said previously, that I went all out with the winter vibes, and this is the first kind of evidence of that. I have this one kit, it's, or not kit, but sticker sheet from the Pretty Pink Co. It was a $2 Tuesday of different types of snowflakes, snowflake foil deco, and I had so much fun like pulling that into the spread. Here you can see I'm cutting them up and like putting them like on the corners of boxes and using them as deco, just like the little pieces of the snowflakes here and there. And honestly, it was really fun. I had a good time like being creative and putting them in different places and all that. So you will see that more and more as we go on through this spread. But yeah, I don't know what it is about this kit because really looking at the full boxes, it's not wintry at all. Like at all. There's even like florals, um, which is more, not it doesn't really scream winter. But yeah, I think it was just the icy blues that kind of made me feel that wintry vibe and just like go with it. But anyway, on Monday, it was President's Day, so I did have the day off. I had a few things that I wanted to mark, so I only marked President's Day with a script from Lilac Luna Plans, and I didn't get to mark the day off, but that's okay. I also filmed a functional plan with me. This divider of snowflakes is also for the Pretty Pink Co. And there's another snowflake that I played around with. So on this day, I had a facial, and it was supposed to be just like a regular facial, but the esthetician convinced me that I needed a microderm infusion. So I was like, okay, yeah, why not? Why the fuck? Live it up. And then we also received the appraisal report on our new home. So definitely wanted to mark that and also make sure that I took a look at it and reviewed it. And thankfully, our home appraised for right about at selling price. So no issues there. On Tuesday, so I'm using the frame boxes from the kit every day to mark work or like work related. But yeah, just pulled in a white Deer stationary laptop to mark that I had one meeting. And here is where I started to get like a I don't know what I was saying, but I put down a header from the kit and then I pulled some of the snowflake deco that I cut into little pieces, and I really like how this turned out. I did this several times throughout the spread. It looks like I did it like almost every other day. Some of these snowflakes, like after I finished the spread, it was a little too busy, so I kind of dispersed them after I was done. But I think you'll see that at the very, very end. Um, but yeah, had one meeting. Then I had to catch up on filming Planet with Me's. I was super, super behind, and like, not that I'm caught up now, but I'm like more caught up than I was. But like, I spent most of my free time that day filming and just trying as much as I could to catch up. And yeah, what did I do? I pulled in like a swirl from the Pretty Pinko, a film slate from Sticky Sloth Designs, which is no longer open, and then just a circle from the kit. Okay, so Wednesday, nothing really new there. The only new sticker that I pulled in was that paw print that's in like a little speech bubble that is from the Giving Girl. Love that sticker. She has a bunch of little paw print stickers that um in her shop. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. I also had 4 meetings this day, so I marked work, like my work meetings, the same way every single day. And then I just spent a relaxing night at home. I pulled in that sofa chair from Crafts by Towie, and then just some more snowflake deco. So you can tell that I had a very, very boring day on Wednesday. I didn't really have anything marked down in my planner, so I had to just assume that I just hung out at home and walked the dog. Okay, on Thursday, after I put down this snowflake deco, I'm using another film slate from Cross by Towie to mark that I got my first cloth and paper sub box. This was the sub box for February of 2021, and I was able to film an unboxing of that, and it is on my YouTube channel, so I'll link that down in the description if you are interested. Funnily enough, that is the most watched video on this channel. I guess people really like cloth and paper. But okay. I had 2 meetings at work, pulled in another snowflake divider from the Pretty Pinko, and then let's see, I'm pulling a third box to mark that I made Swedish meatballs. Thinking back, I think it's very possible that my boyfriend made the Swedish meatballs that day, which was such a treat. He's actually been cooking more lately, which I've been really, really appreciating. So get yourself a man who can cook, right? And at the end of the night, I did watch, or so I read a book. The book that I was reading, it's Harvesting the Heart by Jodi Picoult. I really like that one. I feel like most of her books are centered around like a trial, right? And I really appreciated that that one book doesn't. So, yeah, I liked it. Friday just marked down one of the meetings that I had that day, and then for lunch we got subs and boba. I wish I wrote down what type of boba I got that day, but it was either, so I have 3 main ones that I've been drinking lately. The passion fruit matcha latte is my choice if I want a cold boba, and then if I want hot, I either get the ube or taro is, it's very similar to taro, or I've been getting the roasted oolong tea, which is really good too. It's just like your normal, like, it's almost like a normal black tea, but yeah, really yummy. Let me know down below if you like boba and what is your favorite flavor. And then throughout the week, we had to send a few documents to our lender, and we just had to send, a bunch on Friday. So I just marked that with a lace half circle from Bloom Paper Studio, and then the dual hearts from Clever Gal Crafts. I chose not to put the foil on those hearts just because there's a shit ton of foil throughout the spread already. We don't need any more. On Saturday, like, the weird thing is I had this like weird random itch in the morning when I woke up to rearrange the furniture, which is weird as fuck because we are moving in a month. Like, what is the point of me moving all the furniture around 1 month before we move? But like, I did it anyway. So I pulled in that desk icon from Planning World, I think. to mark that. I also filmed a plan with me as well as printed some inserts for my minimal planner. And then on Saturday, we also we had training for Archie, so I marked that with just a Given Girl paw print. And then we also got Chipotle afterwards, which was so good. And then at the end of the night, I started watching Firefly Lane, which is on Netflix. It's with Katherine Heigl and then that other girl. I'm sorry, I don't know the actress's name, but let me know also, comment down below if you watched that show, and please tell me yes or no, do you think their relationship or that friendship is toxic? Oh my god, I can't talk. Toxic as fuck, because I definitely do. On Sunday, I marked setting up my minimal planner. I believe that planner icon is from Ruby J Designs. I'm pretty sure it's from one of her PR Girl freebies. Yeah, and then okay. So, oh man. Oh man, what? Oh, I should have I so on man, on Monday the 15th, I totally forgot that we went to Yokohama for lunch and I didn't mark that. But we went to Yokohama for lunch because we were actually planning to go to Silk Road on Monday to celebrate Valentine's Day. But then I find out that they're not open on Mondays. So that totally screwed up those plans. So here on Sunday, we went to Silk Road to celebrate Valentine's Day like a week later. And so I just pulled in some utensil stickers from Crafts by Towie, and I showed you kind of how I took a half box, I cut down the sides, and then I added the borders back in using a colored header. I've done this before, just taking a half box but cutting it down to make it a bit more interesting and have some white space on either side. But we had a really, really great lunch at Silk Road. I also marked down my sauce because I took home leftovers and then I also asked for little to-go cups of their sauce. They have a cilantro sauce, a yogurt sauce, and a hot sauce, and I am in love with their sauces, so I made sure to ask for sauces to go. And then we were on the way out, the dude was helping me put my leftovers into a bag, and I accidentally there was just a miscommunication with respect to who was gonna hold what, and my sauce fell on the floor, the little containers of sauce, and I literally in the restaurant I just yelled my sauce because it was out of desperation for my sauce falling. And the dude was like, yeah, what did he say? He said yeah, you can't waste the sauce. Okay, but anyway, this is the final spread. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please remember to smash the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.